Lead generation for small businesses. Proven strategies with AI, AnyBiz. Welcome to our video on lead generation for small businesses using AI, featuring AnyBiz. Today, we explore the best tools and techniques that can transform your marketing efforts effectively. Start by defining clear goals for your lead generation efforts. Are you looking to increase newsletter signups, boost service inquiries, or perhaps enhance product sales? Next, focus on creating content that resonates with your target audience. Utilize AI tools to analyze data and user feedback to continuously refine your strategies. Remember to personalize the user experience. Tailored interactions not only improve engagement, but also significantly increase the chances of converting leads into customers. By embracing these AI tools and strategies, small businesses like yours can not only survive but thrive in the competitive market. Start optimizing your lead generation process today and watch your business grow. 5 best lead generation companies and tools for small business. 1. AnyBiz.io offers a comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools that streamline lead generation for small businesses. With features like AI-driven sales agents, 24/7 operation, high deliverability emails, CRM integration, and automated scheduling, it provides an all-in-one solution for maximizing sales outcomes. 2. Hotjar offers small businesses valuable insights into user behavior with features like heat maps, session recordings, and polls. By leveraging this data, businesses can enhance their website's user experience and optimize lead generation efforts effectively. 3. Opt-in Monster is a conversion optimization tool that aids in expanding email lists, generating more leads, and increasing revenue through targeted marketing efforts. Its features include a drag-and-drop builder for creating attractive pop-ups and opt-in forms, A/B testing, and behavior automation, all of which contribute to higher website conversion rates. 4. Sumo offers a suite of tools designed to enhance lead generation and conversion for websites, including e-commerce platforms. Its features include customizable pop-ups, welcome emails, and timed offers that facilitate email address collection. By integrating with websites to offer discounts and incentives to visitors, Sumo simplifies the process for small businesses to grow their subscriber lists and increase sales. 5. Zendesk provides a comprehensive customer support solution that doubles as a lead generation tool. With features like live chat, an AI-powered knowledge library, and ticketing systems, it enhances customer interactions and assistance. By improving customer service, Zendesk helps build trust and satisfaction, crucial for converting prospects into loyal customers and generating referrals. The video highlights AI-driven lead generation strategies for small businesses, transforming traditional practices and maximizing efficiency. With AI, businesses can automate processes, personalize interactions, and leverage data effectively. AnyBiz.io offers advanced solutions tailored to enhance lead generation. Visit AnyBiz.io to optimize your strategy and boost your business. If you enjoyed this, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.